Hello viewers, very warmest of welcomes. It's Simon at DM Keith Suzuki. I'm over at their Ashton-under-Lyne branch this morning, and they've just given me the keys to this 2022 registered Suzuki Swift. It is the SZL and it's finished in super black pearl. One owner car is this. It's a full service history vehicle and it's done 11,011 so it's 11,111 miles. One owner. 1.2 self-charging mild hybrid. So when I had these, I used to typically average about 56 to the gallon out, and that wasn't really trying to be economical. That was just driving to and from places I needed to be. But yeah, so OL6 is this one. We have another one in stock as well. I'm going to video next, so in black, so it might be worth just hanging around for that one as well. But it will have a year of warranty under the Suzuki Used Approved scheme. That'll be ticked up fresh because it'll be, I think, coming up to its 3rd birthday now, and then you will have a year of road side assistance with it as well. On completion of a service, 12 months time, we give you another year of warranty, and onwards and onwards and onwards and onwards like that. Inside clean, no evidence of smoking or pets or anything like that. Very little usage of the rear seating by the looks of things. And if I just turn the camera around, so well, this is sort of nice little bibbling, stippling on the dashboard there just to break it up like a golf ball. And then we've now in this particular unit, it's the, I believe it's a Pioneer unit, navigation, DAB, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course reversing camera as well on there. Heater controls beneath that, and then plenty of good USB and connectivity down the bottom for you. Automatic lights are really useful, certainly this time of year when they can be coming on and off, even at sort of 2 in the afternoon. Clouds over, speed limiter, adaptive cruise, and there's the mileage for you. Okay, you can't work it out. But yeah, so OL6, this one's based at. I'm going to put a link into the description box. I mean, we were formerly Colin Appleyard Suzuki. We were taken over by DM Keith. That all completed last year. But just to make life easier, because they've got so many different brands and marks in their group, I'm going to put a single link in the description box. You can click straight onto it, guys. It'll whiz you through to this car, and then similarly you can drop down the filters, look at the other Swifts in stock. I think there's about 40 with a few more to go on today. So if you're looking for one, we can move them around between our Huddersfield, Ashton, Bradford and Keighley branches. You simply put a refundable deposit on it, and we'll take it off to the other branch for you, organise a test drive date and time, and deal with it from there. Now, if you want to come for a drive, please guys, on the day, just remember, bring your driving licence and make a note of your national insurance number. That's how dealers verify that you hold a licence these days, and they need it to ensure your safety while you're out. Have a brilliant day. Should be a load more videos coming up for lunchtime, so we'll might be something that takes you on. Take care guys, as always. All of the best.